Oh my goodness, we're all very excited. Look at the amount of electricity I must burn. All those lights on in that house. That's absolutely shocking. Anyway, so here we are. We're outside and Carlene is ready. She's in there somewhere, actually. And we're just waiting for Janine to come up the driveway. And I think, allegedly, she's off the 95. And she is somewhere close by. Oh, I think this might be her now. Ooh, that's so exciting. Because we'll also get Wanda back home tonight, which is lovely. Oh, I forgot Janine wasn't coming in the truck. She's in her princess truck. I forgot you weren't in your truck. You're in your princess truck. Where's your baby?
Oh, the puppy's way in the back.
Oh, way in the back.
Way in the back.
Oh, I can see something moving.
Very
He is. He is very quiet.
He's very quiet.
He's teeny weeny.
That's why. That's what I'm so.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
teeny. Puppy, come here. Maybe get it this way.
Oh, Janini's been sleeping. Sorry. Did you see this?
He was really good. Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy. Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy. Good puppy. Good puppy. You gotta put something on him when he goes on the ground. Oops,
He's a little wriggly.
Puppy. You're okay.
Wanda!
I gotta go.
All right.
I gotta go potty. What you doing? You leave her to run. Yeah, good puppy.
Let me see. Oh, Janine. Do you want to go in the grass that's over in the light? Oh. God, he almost looks like a border collie. Hey, Wanda. Hello, darling. Hey, sweet girl. Oh, I missed you. Hello, beautiful. Did you bring a puppy home?
Yes, good. Okay. You just wanna come on, puppy. Follow me, puppy. Puppy. Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy. No, over here. No. Wait, right here.
Maybe he just needs to go to the toilet.
Go, puppy.
Sorry. It's very dark. I'm terribly sorry.
Come on, Wanda. Come on, puppy. Good puppy. Oh, it's happy, puppy. Good puppy, yeah. Puppy. Good puppy. Okay, come on. That's good. Good boy. Good boy. Just follow my feet. Come on, follow my feet.
Oh, is he going to the toilet now?
No, I think he's right. I don't think he's
This dog is even smaller than Wanda. Oh, like Larky's loose.
I got it. All right, I'll take it with my arm.
Yes.
Come here, puppy. I just call him puppy. 'Cause he's a puppy.
Because we haven't.
There.
Oh, there's Larky right at the door. You okay? I think your mum's got him.
Hello. Oh. Hello. Away. Come on, away.
Sizzle's like, oh, not another puppy.
I'm watching Larky closely. Be nice, Larky. Be
Larky!
But he's wagging his tail. Oh,
Something fell out, like poop or something. I don't
Oh,
know.
it was a leaf.
a leaf.
He's not housebroken at all.
Huh?
He's not housebroken at all.
Puppy.
Good boy. Everybody's good.
Hey, good boy.
Everybody's good. Let's just make sure Larky's going to be good
Oh,
with
I
it.
think he's going to go to the
Larky!
toilet. He's going to the toilet. Is he? No.
No.
I'm paranoid. I'm like, oh!
He's a good puppy. He's very little. He's very little. So I thought you could have Wanda and Wanda and him in the crate tonight. I just want to.
Hi, Wanda. Hi, Wanda. Hi, Wanda. I love you. Hey, come on. Come on, up, up, up. Anything up there? Larky, don't annoy
He's
Wanda.
very smart. He's almost leash trained at this point.
Oh, good.
Because we had to stop at the. He's very friendly. That's why I thought he'd be good for the job.
Good.
He's very friendly. He has lots of
Very
kisses.
nice.
He has not been fed.
Oh,
Not been fed?
Well, I fed him at lunchtime, but he's very hungry. I don't know what, he's had water.
Okay, well, we got food.
So, and he's been acting normal and healthy. But he's a puppy. He's a puppy. Come here. Come here, puppy, puppy. It's okay, Larky. It's okay, Larky. I just worry that Larky's going to step on him or something. So I think he should stay in his cage. And plus, he's not housebroken.
Huh?
He's not housebroken. So we'll keep him in his cage with Wanda.
hi, Sizzy.
Wanda will
He's a
love
good
that.
girl.
Puppy.
He's my big girl.
He's very scared.
He's the best girl.
Puppy. Puppy, puppy.
Oh,
You're taking I think you're really soft now. He runs away.
hi, Larky. I know, darling. I know. She brought home a puppy, Larky. A puppy. Who does that?
You need to get food.
Yes, puppy's hungry. So you can hand feed him. Here, hold puppy.
Puppy, puppy.
Yeah,
We have
puppy.
food over there. In
Okay.
the big can. Mix it with hot water.
Well, I thought you just give him a little snack.
Little puppy. What a nice little puppy. What do we got for food? What do we got for
He gets a little food too.
He's lovely.
Hand feed him.
Look
so
at
he
his
gets
wee
to know you.
face.
Oh,
He's very
His
hungry.
waggy
I know,
tail.
but
Yes,
he has to have it soaked.
Oh, he does. He was eating. This is what they were feeding him, like puppy food,
Okay.
dry. Here, just a little bit. He's very hungry, I bet. And I gave him a little bit of Wanda's food. There he goes.
No wonder Wanda wasn't impressed.
Yeah, he's very hungry dog. Maybe you should eat him here. I don't know how much to feed him. You're the puppy person. I'm not. Okay, so there's that. Are you happy with the puppy?
Huh?
You happy?
Nice little puppy.
He's a nice little puppy. And he'll
He's
be
got a wee
great
waggy tail, look.
for what we need. What we need right
Yeah,
now.
I think he's probably had about enough of that.
Yeah, he's very hungry. But he's very friendly and just out. He's very positive
Outgoing,
and outgoing, and smart. I know he's not Great Dane, but he was
Well,
in
I
it.
think he's had enough here. for the
He was in
moment.
one of those
He needs to have
Tupperware
water
boxes
stick.
with another dog, with another puppy, and he needed a good place to go.
That's
So
a nice little puppy.
here he is. That's all we got. He probably needs water. Oh, you've got water in there.
He's got water in there.
Okay.
He needs a drink.
Does he need a drink?
You want to put it into the water?
Wanda, come here, Wanda. She's been. All right, wait, Wanda, wait.
Larky.
Oh, Wanda hasn't had anything to eat either. Come here. Wanda didn't go growl. You gotta have something to eat. You want some? I guess you'll puppy food too. If you eat puppy food. Okay.
It's right out for you.
I'll get you some puppy food.
Right out for you. That's with the water. What are we going to do with
I'll get him some water.
Janine, he's got a really lovely little face,
He's really cute.
hasn't he?
Yeah.
Larky, no, that's not.
He needs a drink of water.
I'm coming. I can only go so fast.
Here comes water. I
No,
don't want
this is
to. I don't want to spill it
dog
on that
food for
water
Wanda.
on that blanket. Here, put it on the ground.
No, this is dog food for Wanda. Wanda has to eat. Okay.
So put him on the ground.
All right, put him on the ground. Here you go, water.
They don't want water.
He's had water. He's had water the whole time in a bowl in the car.
You put down a whole bunch of dry food, you got to put some water in it.
Yeah.
He's like, look at these big. Hello, gorgeous.
He's very confident. That's why I thought he would be good. The other one was a little shy, but he's like, he would probably climb into someone's lap.
Look at his wee puppy butt.
He's a puppy.
He's a chunky puppy.
Puppy, puppy.
You a chunky puppy.
Puppy.
Hello, gorge. Oh, he's so fluffy. Where have you gone? Where have you gone?
Okay, I'm gonna unload the. You okay here? I'll unload the guys.
Yeah.
I'll just put one in the.
Oh,
One in.
Don't move your
stall.
chair.
the big one's going in the stall, and the other one can go in the.
Okay, is there a bucket for water for the other one?
There should be a bucket down there, yes.
All right.
If not,
Where do I get
Where's-
the water?
hang on. Oh, it's the way out. Here, I'll come down with you. Do you want to pop him in there? 'Cause she finished.
I can do it.
Where is he? There he's there.
Yeah, I'm just worried for tonight. I don't want Larky to step on the puppy.
Larky,
Oh,
in your bed.
gives me waggy tail.
Larky, in your bed. Larky, come on, in the bed. Get out of his way. Hey, get up in the bed. There we go.
He's like a little border collie, isn't he? Hello, honey bunny. So sweet.
Puppy,
Oh, his sizzle he's looking at.
puppy, puppy, puppy.
He's like, that's a big amount of drool.
One piece of food here.
Where is he? I'm going to end this now so we can all hands on deck.